numbers game now, where you can add, subtract, multiply and divide the selected numbers to reach the target. Luke, would you care to choose our first numbers for us, please?
I would love to, thank you, Michael. Lily, can't I please have 2 big ones and the rest smalls, please?
2 big and 4 small, thanks, Luke. And our numbers 7, 9, 6, 8, and our large 25 and 100. The target to reach is 566.
Good luck with that. Your time starts now.
Oh, there's no music, is there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no?
Please come back. That's time. Luke, did you get close to your target?
I got 2, within 2.
Within 2, all right. Yeah, that's pretty good. What about you, Alex?
Within 2 as well,
Within
I think.
2, all right. And Dave, how'd you go?
Well, why did they have to go first? Why does it work this way? This is formatically wrong. I thought it was really good. I got within 5.
Oh, OK. You still have the points. You still have the points.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Luke, why don't you talk us through your solution, please?
100 times 6, minus 25...
Hang on, 100 by the 6 is
sorry?
600.
600 minus 25...
Minus the 25.
Minus 7.
Minus the 7. Oh, is 500 and what's that?
68?
68.
Can I ask a personal question, Luke?
Yes.
When you minus the 7, why didn't you minus the 8 so you could get closer?
Or the 9 to get on the target.
Yeah. It felt like it was sort of there for you to...
Well, I didn't... Because then David would feel really bad, so...
I hate to say this, Luke, but you should have studied for 9 years, mate. That worked itself out.
Alex, did you use the same...
No, I've got to come clean. I've done my trick from the letters game. I reused a 6.
Ah, so no points for Alex then.
No points, once
just
again.
points for Dave and Luke. Lily, was there a better way to get... Well, actually, sorry, I was going to ask if there was a better way to get there, but Luke didn't get there. So, Lily, how did you get there?
Well, yeah, if you subtract the 9 instead of the 7...
Oh, yeah, we went over this. Luke, come on.
I need someone to turn that music down. It really freaks me out.
All right, let's check the scores then. Alex somehow still on 5 points. Dave is on 16 points and Luke is ahead on 17 points. Time to break out the digits now with another maths game. In fact, Dave, you can choose this time.
All right, Lily, can I have 2 big ones and then 4 little ones?
2 big and 4 small. Thanks, Dave.
Thank you.
Starting with the smalls. 1, 6, 4, 8, and the large 25 and 100. The target to reach is 539.
That's your target number and your clock starts now. Time's up. Did anyone reach the target? Dave?
Yeah. I hadn't fully finished, but I'm probably about, I don't know, 15 off.
Out of the points then. Alex?
Yeah, I think I got it.
Oh! Very nice. And Luke, did you get the target?
No, this was a terrible round for me. I was hoping you would forget to ask me. No, not even close.
Alex, would you talk us through your solution then?
Yeah, let's see. So what I did was I did 100 times 4 plus 1.
100 by the 4 plus the 1.
To get me to 500.
500.
Plus 25 plus 8 plus 6.
Plus the 25 plus the 8 and the 6.
Oh, yeah.
Gives you 539. Well done.
Well done.
Lily, was there any other ways to get to 539?
Yeah, Alex, that was fantastic. I could think of one other way. Now, 100 plus the 25. By the 4 is 500. So if you add the 8 is 500 plus 32. So 532 plus the 6 plus the 1 is 539.
So now we have ourselves a very close game with Dave on 21 points, Alex on 26, and Luke still ahead, but just on 27 points. Let's reach for the target again now with another numbers game. Alex, your choice of big and small numbers.
Cool. Let's go 3 large, 3 small, Lily.
3 large and 3 small.
Oh, no.
Thanks, Alex. And our numbers 9, 2, and 7. The large numbers 25, 50, and 75. The target to reach is 398.
That's your target, and your clock starts now. Time's up. Did anyone get there? Dave?
I'm 2 off.
Ooh, OK. Alex?
I'm a bit more off. I got 386.
386. Ooh, just out of the points. And Luke, how'd you go?
I'm embarrassed that I'm in the high 200s. I'm having a terrible time.
Thorno, why don't you chat us through your solution, please?
Right. This is interesting. Let's see how we go. 50 times 9.
50 by the 9 is 450.
450. And then 75 minus 25.
Very good. 75 minus 25 is 50.
And then add that, subtract that, I should say, from the 450. So you get 400. Minus the 2, and you have yourself.
So close, Dave. So close.
Oh, sorry, when you were asking me -2, I thought you meant the weather, and I wasn't locked into... Yeah, sorry, yeah, 398 was my answer, Michael.
OK, good. Yeah, OK.
Yeah.
Lily, obviously there was one way to get there, but were there any other ways to get there?
That was a perfect way. Well done, Dave.
But you did get it.
When you say perfect, to be clear, he got 400,
I know.
right? OK, just so we know what's happening.
Michael, greatest day of my life. Remember I said that before? This is amazing.
To the scores then, Luke is on 31 points, Alex is on 31 points, but now ahead is Dave on 35 points! Oh! Here's the greatest day of your life, isn't it? The people's champion! Let's head over now to Dictionary Corner. Alasdair, what have you got for us?
Hello, Michael. I have a little maths problem for the panel. Here it is right here. Does anybody here think that they could help me solve this problem?
Is it... I mean, 5 minus 5 is 0, right?
If that's all you guys have got, well, look, that's not the solution that I'm looking for. I think that for me, as an engineer, there's a much bigger problem here, and that's that the 5 would fall over. Now, now look at this here. Look at this curved base right there. That's an uneven point of equilibrium. So, right, just the merest gust of wind comes by, and it'll fall over like that, right? So, yeah, if we want to solve this problem, then we're probably going to have to turn it over onto, take advantage of this nice flat surface here. Probably the way it was supposed to go until some contractor installed it wrong, right? Look at that. That's beautifully. That's not going anywhere, right? It reminds me of my favorite number, the 2. Look at that. That's an engineer's number if you've ever seen one.
Isn't it?
Oh yeah, Lily, what's your favorite number structurally speaking?
Oh, structurally, oh my goodness, I've never really thought of it that way. Can I have a double digit?
Oh yeah, I'd love that.
Yeah, maybe 52 then.
52,
But
yeah.
upside down 5,
Oh,
obviously.
of course, yeah.
Obviously,
oh, my
yeah.
God. That's just so structurally sound. It looks
Yeah.
like the Colosseum or something like that. It would be stay up for thousands of years. Well, I love the 2. And the 2, it reminds me of my favorite letter, the Q, because the Q kind of looks like an engineer took a look at an O and thought, well, that's just going to roll away, right? and so they put a little kickstand on there, like that, right? Now, of course, the problem is, once you start thinking like this, you realize that all of the numbers are a nightmare, structurally speaking. And so I've taken the liberty of redesigning all of the numbers so that they could stand up in real life. So the 1's pretty easy. We just extended the shaft of that into the ground. I assume the blue line is the ground here. The 2's fine. The 3, knocked over on its side like that, so it kind of looks like some buttocks sticking out of a hole in the ground. The 4's interesting. Now, the 4 kind of looks like the sail of a boat, so it's strongly implied that there's a boat under there, so I've just made the boat explicit. The 5 we flip upside down. The 6 we could support using a gantry system, sort of taking advantage of that nice hook there at the top. The 7, well, you could support using a second inverted 7 mounted in the ground. Now, the 8 is really interesting, because the 8, you can see it could just roll either way. So I thought that maybe if we sandwiched it between 2 bollards, like that. But then, of course, I started thinking, well, what about that 3rd dimension? That could just fall forward or backward. So I just decided to put a bollard in front and behind it there. Now, of course, that creates a new problem, you might have noticed, is that you can't see the 8. So we need to write something on the front to let people know that there's an 8 back there. So I was thinking, there's an 8 back here, something like that. You know, why would I lie? I'm a bollard. What would my motivation possibly be? Right, that, and then the 9 we just lower and set it into some concrete. So then, now, thank you. Thank you.
Very structurally sound there.
If we could just return to this problem here, does anybody think that they could solve it now?
Flip them upside down.
Oh, well, that's a great suggestion, but really there's actually a bigger problem here is that that's actually not a minus. If we look from above, from the bird's eye view, you can see that's actually just a 5 that's fallen down. So you really just got to take into account that 3rd dimension. That's what I want everyone to take home.
Alasdair, Tremblay-Birchall, everybody!